have a pile of goodies here to share with you. I'm excited to share the March release and our inspiration hop going on right now. I'll have a playlist in the description box that you can hop to each video for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. All you have to do is leave a comment, leave some love on each video, and then come back to the link in the description box and enter into the giveaway. I'll pull a winner in about 1 week, and I'll post the winner on the YouTube community page. One lucky winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. So along the way, you'll see beautiful projects from the design team using our March release. Can't wait to see what they came up with. Right now, we have a free with 60 3x4 incentive stamp. It is so cute. When you spend $60, you'll see this pop into your cart for free. It's so adorable. I'll share 2 cards that I did using this stamp set. Here's the first card. I used the little sentiment, a small note with big hugs, and the cute hedgehog and bird image. I love the tulip paper in the background, and that comes from the Spring and Bloom paper pad. The second card I did using the same paper pad and stamp set. I used that cute little snail and the sentiment Happy Snail Mail. How sweet is that? So the free incentive stamp is while supplies last. You'll see that pop into your cart once your order qualifies. We also have a brand new pack of card fronts. This is Joyous Easter. You'll get some sentiments on the back that you can use Teresa's one and done sentiment die to cut them out. You'll get some beautiful banners with stitching and have a pile of sentiments ready to go. Here's the card I did using those card fronts. How cute is that? Somebody loves you. And I just added a little bit of stickles for some glitter and shine. For our paper pad club of the month, we get 2 paper pads. You can opt in for the stamp of the month and the ephemera pack Easter bunnies. This ephemera pack is also sold individually. It is so cute with all these super cute bunnies. Here's the card I did using the ephemera pack Easter bunnies. I also used Joyful Easter Wishes, and that comes in your A2 card fronts on the back page. And I used Teresa's one and done sentiment die to trim that out. The paper in the background you see is from Petals and Promises that comes in the Paper Pad Club. Your stamp of the month is so cute. It's called Sending Spring Smiles. And look at those adorable little bunnies. You also get a little sign that says Happy Spring and a cute little watering can with some gardening tools and tulips. This cute little butterfly with trail will definitely come in handy. And I love the sentiments. I hope you feel better soon. For you, thinking of you, picked with love, a happy spring hello, you make me smile. And then you get these 2 sentiments down here that are perfect for the inside of your card. Just hopping by to say hello and send a little spring happiness. Also, just hopping in to send some extra care and encouragement. Here's the card that I did using the stamp of the month. I used the Picked with Love sentiment, and how cute is that bunny pushing the cart of tulips. I matched it up with the paper with the little cart of flowers, and then also used the Easter plaids for some plaids on the side. That turned out super cute. Then we have the Petals and Promises paper pad, and on the inside you get some images that you can use for focal points on your cards. All you have to do is trim those out, and the colors in here are so pretty. Love a little wonky stripe, Easter eggs, little chevron. Look at those pretty flowers. Nice soft blue. And here are some images that you can fussy cut out. I'm going to create a quick card with this today. And then you've got your Easter plaids in all these beautiful pastel colors. For our box of the month, we have a beautiful spring box. This box is available for purchase as a one-time purchase, or you can join the monthly club and save. When you join monthly, you'll save 18% off. You'll see that discount in your shopping cart, and you'll get a new box delivered to you every 30 days from the date you purchased. It's such a great way to get some happy mail and inspiration every month. You'll get a nice box that coordinates well together, so it makes card making easy and fun. We get 2 beautiful paper pads, 6x6, double-sided. We've got happy little moments. How beautiful is this paper pad? And then we get spring and bloom. Love those tulips in there and beautiful hearts. And there's coordinating ephemera for both paper pads. We've got little spring friends. You get all these adorable little animals holding tulips. And then happy little moments, just beautiful Easter and spring images. Here's a card using the Happy Little Moments collection. How cute is that? And then I did add a little trim there. And then Bloom Where You're Planted. That comes from the 6x8 exclusive stamp set in your box. Here's another card using the 6x8 stamp set. And I used the sentiment Happiness is Better Shared from the set. And I did use the 2 butterflies in here to create the little scene. Turned out so pretty. I love that image. Let's take a closer look at the stamp set. So we've got some really cute images, perfect for spring, for your friends, just great for a happy card. You get some great sentiments in here. We've got Here With You, Happy Easter, 2 of a Kind, Bloom Where You're Planted, Thank You, So Happy For You, Sweet Spring Wishes, Made With Love, Picked Just For You, Happiness is Better Shared, A Little Hello. And this image is so cute with the little tulip stand. I just love the stamp set. And then the 6x6 stamp set. This one is called Sweet Spring Friends. And oh, so adorable. Look how cute the little bunny and lamb are hugging. We've got sentiments, Get Well Soon, Spring Wishes for You, Just Because, Sending Hugs, Hi There, Just Checking In, Who's Thinking of You, Hello Little Friend, Cuteness Overload. Here's a card I created using the 6x6 stamp set with the Who's Thinking of You sentiment. That owl is just so stinking cute. I added some glossy on his eyes and colored the cute little owl pink. I did use Just Checking In from the 6x6 stamp set, and then this cute little puppy dog is from the ephemera pack, Sweet Little Friends. So cute. I did use enamel dots from our brand new enamel dot pack, Bunny Blush. They have a little bit of sparkle in them, so it's a great way to add a little bit of shine to your cards. And then this beautiful paper from Spring in Bloom. I just love this paper pad. So I'm going to make a quick card using the images from this paper pad, Petals and Promises, that you can find under the Paper Pad Club of the Month. For my first card, I cut the panel out in a scallop rectangle with stitching. Then I have a scallop circle with stitching to add my focal point. And behind here, I'm going to add, I cut this out on an angle with the same die, and I'll add that right across to break up some of the pattern. I have the sentiment, May Hope Bloom in Your Life, from the A2 Card Fronts Joyous Easter. I also have this little shovel. I saw it in the paper, so I'm going to add that as well. Now I have to decide how high I want this piece here. I think I'll have it like right about there. So let's go ahead and glue that. I think I'm going to do a little bit of peel off stickers right on the side there. So for my little cart, I'm going to add a little bit of gray shadow underneath my cart, just where the wheels would land. I want my sentiment to be towards the bottom here. I'm going to pop up this piece. I'm going to use the Bunny Blush enamel dots. Okay, so there's the finished card. I think it turned out really cute. For the second card, I'm doing the same layout. I'm going to use the little butterfly for a background. I'm going to stamp out the little "for you" right down here. Okay, so that completes our second card. I think it turned out pretty cute. What do you guys think? And here's our other card. So I hope you guys have lots of fun on the hop, get lots of inspiration using our March release. Good luck on the giveaway. All links will be in the description box for you. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see ya next time. Bye, guys.